My name is Lucas. I was born in China. I left my hometown when I was 11. Soccer, BMX biking, those are my hobbies, was never remotely to do with art. Just kind of funny, you know, here I am, this whole film about I'm chasing my dream as filmmaker, as being creative. It's kind of funny how life works like that. I was a student in high school. I grew up in a small city in China. That was kind of my thing. I was always had a little bit interest in video camera. I like to always videoing my life in unsuspecting moments and capturing every frame of my life. Filming travel videos, moments, while looking at the video footage on the screen and thinking, oh wow, being able to see the entire mountain or city on my screen. I start taking pictures of little things such as grass or small plants, spending the whole afternoon finding the right angle.
Shot is so epic.
Just trying to be creative, it hit me so hard so fast. I saved up everything, bought the first digital SLR. The moment I took out the lens from the camera, looking at the mirror in the camera, flipping back and forth, I never see something like this before. And this obsession turned into shooting YouTube video, making short film, taking picture. Being a photographer, just keep going and keep going. Made my first $300 as being a filmmaker. My parents was like, what is happening right now? From this point in my life, I identified myself as being creative. I tried to make my life interesting. I travel around the world and making videos sharing my life as being a filmmaker.
I'm still tired when I wake up, like my dream's still near. Snooze about my best friend now. Get me away from here. I got plans, I got things to do. Gotta do my hours, do my hours. Why is everything so damn hard? Gray skies and rain clouds. I postpone everything, worrying about stupid things. When is it my turn to start living? Cause I remember growing up, we rode our bikes all over town, spending all our cash on candy bars. And no one ever told us that tomorrow it might not be gone. Sunny days replaced with weekend jobs. I don't wanna turn back time, I just wanna feel that I'm living life with clarity.
These random things that happens are unexpected when you're doing films, when you're out there hunting for a shot, when you're out there capturing life, making artists. It's the unforeseen things end up being the most meaningful thing. One of my friends said once to me, it's not about the gear, it's not even about what I'm shooting, it's about where the film takes me. I'll be able to travel entire countries all around the world, I'll be able to meet the most amazing people that I never met. I get experience that other people don't get. It's not even about the picture that I get. It's a journey that I get to take to those pictures, and that's the thing I always love about the film. The memory, having that experience, that's what's gonna be attached to this image that I'm going to take. But I think for me, every film that I made is something about me. It's a place I've been to. It's something about my family. It's something that means something to me. Each film I made needs to have something behind it. That's exactly why this art form has a grip around me. I hope you know it's never let go. Every film that I made, it needs to mean something. I want to look back on this video I made 10, 15, 20, 50 years from now. I don't want to just think, oh, nice film, sick place. I want to remember the face I was there with. I want to remember the whole process, the flight, the movie I watched on the way, the food I eat at the hotel. I want to remember all of these things. Those frames need to mean something. This video needs to mean something to me. I got it, it was mine forever. Film needs to mean something to me. What does it mean to you?